Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's most trending news is right now BTS in Mexico right now. This is the most trending news right now. BTS has taken all over the Mexico and is bigger than anything right now in the world. Ahead of the Anytime World Tour in Mexico, BTS are landed in Mexico with security and personally invited by the Mexico president in their presidential palace for greetings. BTS just had the historic moment in the palace when they are palace balcony to greet fans, and they are all wearing suits, look like classic gentlemen. All the BTS member gave their greetings to fan and meet with the president. The arrival of BTS in palace is classic, but here is the part that give you the chills. As BTS comes in the balcony, there are 50K armies in the front waiting for them. A huge, just waiting for them to see them, greet them. As BTS entered into the balcony, all the fans started singing, dancing, crying. That moment is so pure and wholesome to watch. All the BTS member is also stunned to see this level of crowd just for them, and the media is saying that the crowd centered just 6 hours before BTS arrival. This is so huge. All the BTS members are stunned to see this level of crowd just for their arrival, not concert. This is the power that BTS hold. As all the member gave their mm, greetings, their names, and the be speaking in Spanish is so wholesome to watch. They are so cutely Spanish greeting fans, and all there are happening in front of 50K. All BTS member are seems very happy, and the president of Mexico is along with them in the balcony. The moment is so historic to be down. The members are their music is beyond barrier, and here is the proof. All the BTS members are present in Mexico for their world tour in anytime. As the Mexico president allow them to come in the balcony and greet fans. All the fans are eagerly watching, and they started singing, dancing, all for the BTS member. All BTS member are making videos of the fans, the security. This is wholesome to watch, and this effect that BTS hold, the power they hold. All the BTS members are very happy when they came in the balcony. It's 50K armies in the front. That is a cinema to watch, and this is the proof BTS paved the way. All the fans are greetings and waving flags in their direction. BTS members wearing suits along with their presidential palace. They look so huge. Look at this crowd. This is wholesome to watch, and BTS is finally in Mexico for their world tour. This is not just a movement. This is the history that they created, and their concert is upcoming on 7, 8, and 10th May. This is gonna be large than anybody thought. BTS finally paved the way. They are so happy to watch all the fans. The fans are so happy to watching the BTS, and they all along. BTS Around World Tour in Mexico is 7, 8, 9 May in JN Stadium. This is not just a concert. This is the Asians that paved the way. BTS are all happy and armies are all happy. Let's look forward.